Reading aloud is key to reading comprehension.
Reading.
The most important thing to remember is to pronounce clearly and articulate.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Accents don't matter. Getting your message across is what we want in order to communicate, so understanding what we read is easier when we hear the text in our head.
Your accent isn't cute, you just mispronounce words.
So let's read together. Level B1, Reading Comprehension. I am Miss Carolina and this is the English with Us channel. If you think of the jobs robots could never do, you would probably put doctors and teachers at the top of the list. It's easy to imagine robot cleaners and factory workers, but some jobs need human connection and creativity. But are we underestimating what robots can do? In some cases, they already perform better than doctors at diagnosing illness. Also, some patients might feel more comfortable sharing personal information with a machine than a person. Could there be a place for robots in education after all? British education expert Anthony Seldon thinks so. And he even has a date for the robot takeover of the classroom, 2027. He predicts robots will do the main job of transferring information and teachers will be like assistants. Intelligent robots will read students' faces, movements, and maybe even brain signals. Then they will adapt the information to each student. It's not a popular opinion, and it's unlikely robots will ever have empathy and the ability to really connect with humans like another human can.
Where humans and robots can peacefully coexist.
One thing is certain, though. A robot teacher is better than no teacher at all. In some parts of the world, there aren't enough teachers, and 9 to 16% of children under the age of 14 don't go to school. That problem could be partly solved by robots because they can teach anywhere and won't get stressed or tired or move somewhere for an easier, higher paid job. Those negative aspects of teaching are something everyone agrees on. Teachers all over the world are leaving because it is a difficult job and they feel overworked. Perhaps the question is not, will robots replace teachers? But how robots can help teachers.
I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone
Office workers can use software to do things like organize and answer emails, arrange meetings, and update calendars. Teachers waste a lot of time doing non-teaching work, including more than 11 hours a week marking homework.
Homework? What homework?
If robots could cut the time teachers spend marking homework and writing reports, teachers would have more time and energy for the parts of the job humans do best. What do you think? Would you prefer to have a robot as a teacher than an actual human being? Thank you for watching. Now, to the next level, B2. See if you can understand the next level.